Hi, welcome to our new home. Come with us and check it out.
Hi, I'm Joe.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And I'm Jess, and this is Zephyr and Taco.
The reason for the KnockDown ReBuild is our existing home wasn't the sort of place that you could turn into a single story. I think a KnockDown ReBuild was more suited to what we wanted because we were able to choose a location that really does suit our lifestyle.
We always used to look at the Metricon display homes, but I always wanted that Metricon finish. And I said to the supervisor when he handed over the house to us, I looked around and I said, finally, we have a Metricon finish, which is great.
The building experience was really good. We had a really good supervisor. I don't think there was a day that there wasn't a tradesman on site.
Can I say, Joe was here 3 times a day. So I was very worried that Metricon were going to get very upset, but we had the most amazing supervisor that really understood why Joe wanted to be involved and connected. And
the team were very supportive right from the beginning, right from the consultant that helped us with the design to the people at Studio M, the contracts administrator, the supervisor. Everybody was really great.
So we knew we were never going to get exactly what we drew, but what we needed to do was find a design that would allow us to make some changes to add those extra rooms or elements, etc. And we found that the Berkshire was the one that was the closest to, I think we can make this work for what we needed. I think we built it in such a way where we can age gracefully here and not have any issues. For me, it'll be our forever home.
I like to sit in the alfresco and look out at the garden. I find that it's very peaceful and tranquil, and it relaxes me quite a bit.
I've got lots of favourite rooms here because I've been dreaming about this for a very long time. So I have an incredible walk-in robe, but where we're sitting now is probably my favourite because of brings us all together, and it's really lovely, and I love my couch.
My favourite room would have to be the music studio. As a musician, it's just so amazing to have a space where I can be creative and I can express myself musically.
Something that I'm proud of with this build is that when you look at the home with the facade and everything, it's very much in keeping with the heritage of the suburb.
I cannot tell you how many people stopped and said to us, we have been following this from KnockDown to now, and how many people have commended us on this beautiful home.